Hi guys. I want to keep you company today. My name is Joseph AGKOG, and today our topic of discussion will be box plot. I hope you enjoy my company too, because I believe I enjoy yours. So let me share my screen so we can start this. Like I said, in this lecture, my topic will be box plot. What is a box plot anyway? Hold on, let me see, make sure you guys are seeing this. Okay, I believe you are. Okay. So what is a box plot anyway? Box plot simply means a graphical way of showing or representing the data set using their quartiles. When I say quartile, I mean this quartiles here. Now, quartile simply is a divide the data set into 4 groups. But the one we are interested in the first quartile, which is the Q1, second quartile, which is Q2, and third quartile, which is Q3. So we use this to draw the box plot. Now, if you don't know how to calculate the quartiles, you can check my previous lecture. I have a lecture on how to calculate quartiles. So that's a different lecture. Check my YouTube channel. You will see that lecture. You can watch it and see how to calculate quartiles. You can do it using a pen and pencil or with Excel, Now, you can also do box plot using pen and pencil or Excel. But sometimes you want to get the quick results and to make your work look professional. So that's why in this lecture, my focus is on how to make a box plot using an online grapher that may give you fast results and give you a box plot that looks professional that you can use in your documents. So look at how a box plot looks like. It has a Q1, which is the first quartile, Q2, which is also the median, Q3 is the top quartile, then the maximum number and the minimum number. We call it the whiskers. Okay. Again, you can also do box plots using pen and pencil or Excel. But if you want a quick result, you can use the online grapher. Also, if you don't know how to calculate quartiles, I have a lecture focus on that, how to calculate quartiles. So watch my video on that lecture that explained how to find quartiles. Here, we're not going to do that. We will focus on drawing a box plot faster using an online grapher. So look at our question here. It said the number of nuclear power plants in the top 5 nuclear power producing countries in the world are listed here. Say construct a box plot to represent this data. Now, using Excel, you have to type it in, and then before you can now go through several steps. Using your hand, if you're using the hand to do it, then you have to first of all put the numbers in order, then find your quartile Q1, Q2, Q3, and then use that. You can draw a box plot. But if you're using an online grapher, you don't have to go through all that. So let's do it. So make sure you separate the numbers with a comma. The comma. See, after 7 we have a comma, 18 comma. Then you can just copy the whole thing and copy it and put it in an online grapher. Okay, I'll take you to the grapher I use most of the time. There are several types of online grapher, but this is the one I use, Nicula. Okay, you click on it and then paste it. It's a data set. See, I hope you can see this. Let me make sure that you can all see this. Okay. Once it's there, then click submit data. Submit data. Click on it. See, it will give you the box plot right away. And it gives you numbers, the population size, median, mode, the first quartile. So it will grab the whole thing here. So all you have to do now is to copy this image. Right-click on it, copy the image, and go to your document. Now, and then paste it. This is your box plot right there. Paste. See, it gives the box plot. You can change it. See, it did it in this form, but you can change it. I think you can rotate it. Let me see. If I can rotate it, let me see if I can rotate this. Okay, let me it will give us a different thing. Anyway, this is the bus plot right here. See? So you show that on this side is more stretched more than the other side. And let me see. Edit diagram, format picture. Okay, let me see. If this can give us anything. Okay, 3D rotation. Let's say that X is those that know how to use Word document very well can. Okay, this one is the rotation. The rotation should be angle. Let me just try this one this way. Okay. Okay, it's rotating it. See, you have your bus plot right here. Rotated to different size. See, but look like this. But it will give you the scale at the top here. Okay. See, so I'll just click on here to rotate it. The rotation, Z rotation. See, I can undo it so I can show you what I did. Okay, 3D. This is how it is. After I drew it, then I want to rotate it so that it will look, horizontal. All I have to do is to come here, see 3D rotation, Z rotation, and I keep rotating it. See? Keep clicking on it until you get to the point, to this type area you want it to be. Okay. See? Then you can now increase this so that it will come through the formatting line. This is a box plot. See? Now, what people ask me sometimes is, how can I put this in a document that I'm doing if I'm working on it? And if I'm doing a paper or something like that, how can I include this in the paper? Let me see. Give me 1 minute. No, this is good. Now, so if you're writing a paper and you want to include this in a paper, all you have to do is to come here, click on it, right click, copy the image. Copy. Then go to your paper. I'm going to show you on the paper. See, this is a paper that you're writing. You can put it right here and then paste it. See, it's there. And then you can begin your typing. Is this because of the fact that this place is a little bit? Okay, I can see that when I pasted it, it messed up the formatting. So I'm gonna undo it, and you copy the original bus plot that we have. So let me take you there again, back to our first graph, original graph. So you can copy this from here. I think it should be better to use it this way. This way is better for you. And then go to your what you are typing is here, documents, and then paste it. Yeah. See, that way you will not mess up with your formatting. So you have it, and then you can interpret the documents. I hope you enjoyed my lecture and on this, and I hope to see you again in my subsequent lectures. I want to use this opportunity to wish you all a happy Christmas and a very prosperous New Year. Thank you. Okay, bye-bye. Okay. All right, I think it's